Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you had a great weekend. Thanks so much for watching this video. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 7 ways to make top from t-shirt. So kindly grab yours and let's get into this DIY. Okay, so let's make this short exercise before we start making the 7 styles. I'm going to cut the round neck out. That is why I'm marking with a chalk. If your round neck is not big as mine, you can use that, don't worry. But you have to use an oversized t-shirt. If you don't have t-shirts, you can take your dad's or your brother's own. And also, my guys, you can make some for your sisters or your wife. Alright, so let's go to the sides of the shirts. I'm going to cut the sides too. I'm going to divide the shirt. That is how the whole thing is. I'm going to cut this line out, then I'll move to the other side and I also cut that line. Alright, so this is the final step. I'm going to cut out the sleeves. Yes. So this is the first sleeve. Then I'll get to the other side. Then I'll cut that one too out. Okay, so this is what we're going to have. That is all for today. So starting with the first style, this is one basic style. It's like a waterfall jacket. That's what I can call. I don't really know the name of this. So this one basic style for you. And you can choose to tie the back or you can leave it like that. If your round neck is not big as mine, there is no need for you to tie it because your back will be well covered, but you won't get all the 7 styles. You get about 4 styles only. That is why I chose this big round neck. So this is the second style. I'm using belts. It's the first style. I'm just adding belt to it. That is how it is. But this time I need to fix the back side, so I'm tucking in to make the belt look stylish. And as I said earlier, if your round neck is small, your back will be well covered. There is no need for you to tuck in. And also if you are fat, you are good to go. Okay, so this is the next style and it's my favorite. I love all these styles, but this is my favorite. And I know by the time you finish watching this video, you're also going to get your favorites. You will even like all the 7 styles, trust me. So on this part, I'm going to style the front side first before I check the back side. So don't worry, we'll get back to it, okay? Alright, so this is the back side and we're going to style it like a V shape, and that will be our style number 3. So is this not simple and nice? So you get to know why I love this style, and I also hope you love them too. So why don't you subscribe to my channel for more easy lifestyles? And you see the necklace I'm wearing? I made 8 different styles from one necklace. I have them on my channel. Kindly check that one out. I always make lifestyle easier for you. I'm here to help you save money. So this is style number 4 and this looks like a beach wear. So it depends on how you want to wear this style. So at the back, you can make a bow tie or any kind of style you want. So this is how I made mine. So is this not beautiful? Is this not nice and simple? And I love the fact that you won't even see you make this out from t-shirts. So let's move on to style number 5, and this is also really nice. It's very simple and nice, and also it's so easy to make this style. Okay, so for the back style, you can choose to make the V shape or you can do it this way and you are good to go. Wow, is this not so lovely? You won't even notice you made this from t-shirts. This is style number 6, and this also looks like a beachwear, so you can also add this to your beachwear or anyhow you want to wear this. And if you like taking pictures too, this video is going to help you because you're going to get a lot of styles for pictures. Okay, loves, so this is the last style and this is the craziest one. This wasn't part of the plan and you can't take this one out, but in case you have a photo shoot, you can make this, you can style this for pictures only. But if you want to take it out too, no, I don't think you can take this one out. This is meant for pictures. If you want to style your dress, if you want to get a lot of pictures, this style is going to help. You can add this to your styles. Yeah. And I was so happy to get this result because it was nice. I really love the style, and I think if you are using a t-shirt with the small round neck, you're going to get a perfect style. Yeah, for those who are using the small round neck, you're going to get a perfect look. But my round neck was too big, so it's somehow nice. It's really nice, but you can't take this out. Yeah, so if you're using the small round neck type, you're going to get the perfect look. Yeah, so I was so happy, and I have 2 reasons for that. For the first one, I was so happy to get a good result, and also the second one, it was a funny plan for me, so we made it. And I know for sure you're going to love this style. Yeah, as I said, you can add this if you like taking pecs. You are going to get different designs, and also if you are using small round neck, you're going to get a perfect result for this style. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your support. I love you all. I love you. I love you. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more easy lifestyle. Drop your comments, like and share this video for me. Bye.